Step 1. Earn points for listening to one song. Pick a station and listen. Let the rewards stream in. Step 2. Earn even more points for listening to music for 30 minutes straight. Score more from each and every song, listen for 30 minutes and earn even more points. Step 3. Earn up to 50,000 plus points while you listen to music. Let the rewards play on while you listen. Amplify your savings. Take a survey, perform daily tasks and offers, or refer your friends. What's up everyone, welcome back to Live to Share. It basically something I've tried over the past couple of weeks, so I wanted to show you guys the application. Now before I get into this, if you are new to my YouTube channel, much appreciate if you will like now this video, and if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing. Because I upload videos where I will teach you how to make some extra income online. In my review today I will be discussing how you can use the current rewards platform to earn some extra cash. If you like listening to music, playing an instrument, or doing anything related to music, then I think you'll love using this app. It is a completely legit app that thousands of users are enjoying using. There are other ways you can earn using this app, such as completing surveys, doing offers too. The creators say you can earn up to $600 per year by anticipating with this app regularly, so let's find out what the income potential really is. You can download the app for free on the Google Play or App Store, depending on your device. Next, complete a quick registration form and confirm your email. You will need to provide your email and a valid phone number to register and cash out. I also recommend reading the terms and conditions to avoid getting banned. For example, you are not allowed to use VPN or more than one device for the same ID. However, you can use 2 devices per household as long as you have another email and phone number for the second device. After creating your account, you will earn 200 points, which is worth 20 cents. The main way to earn points with current cash rewards is to stream music. Hit explore and search for radio stations based in your favorite music genre and artists. Search for your favorite music in over 100.000 radio stations and start playing. The more you play, the more points you will earn. Tasks and offers. These tasks include downloading different apps like Opinion World, Time Bucks, Daily Hunt, and many more. You need to register yourself with those apps. Run the apps as per the condition for the particular offer and then earn points. These tasks and offers take 1 to 30 minutes of your time. It says you can earn points up to 20,000. Daily usage bonus. When you listen to music for a certain time, the apps reward you with points. You can earn points to a maximum of 150. Quick earn video. In this mode, you can watch advertisements of up to 30 seconds. A maximum of 15 points is rewarded. Also, Current has a lock screen feature similar to Slidejoy, which will show you ads every time you unlock your phone. This is another method that is not mentioned in the list. After every 2 hours when you unlock your mobile screen, you get 3 points. If you are enjoying this video, hit the thumbs up button to like this video. And don't forget to tap the red button to subscribe. The moment you've all been waiting for. How much money will this app actually put in your pocket every week? Well, Current Rewards claims that you can earn up to $600 per year listening to music through their app. This would equate to about $11.50 in earnings every week. Keep in mind, this is an estimate under the assumption that you listen to music for around 30 hours per week and maximize all your earning potential. The speed in which you earn is determined by your location, how much of your profile is complete, and how long you are consuming the music. If you want to earn that $600 per year, it's going to take a lot of hours of listening while also sharing your preferences with the app so that you can be rewarded for your efforts. Of course, listening to music takes time, but I bet you can find ways to listen while doing other things. The point is, it's not cutting out time from you performing other tasks. That's where I believe the true earning potential is. Once you reach 25,000 points, you can cash out $25 via PayPal and a variety of gift cards. The minimum payout requirement is $4 if you redeem via Amazon gift cards. However, you will need 8,000 points, which is not a good exchange. In order to convert 1,000 points for $1, you will need to reach 25,000 and cash out $25 instead of $3. I highly recommend waiting a little bit longer and cash out the higher amount. Otherwise, you will earn half of the reward. After you request your payment, Current will promptly send your gift card code via email. So, you don't need to wait for a physical card to arrive at your address. If you are looking for an app that will allow you to listen to good music and earn extra cash as well, Current is definitely an app you can use. This, in my opinion, is their main selling point. But if all you are really after is the earning part, then you are better off using other apps instead. If you have any comments, questions, or have any experiences with Current yourself, I would love to hear from you in a comment section below. Click the link in the description below to download this app. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.